Hello Facebook ads people. So today I have another short video. The stimulation about this video came from an Upwork post that I have seen, and it really intrigued me, and I wanted to explain why you should not think like this about the Facebook ads, and it's not as simple as you might think. So let's read together a post. It says, professional Facebook ads marketeer for product launch. I want to clarify that this is not a Freelancer Diaries episode. I don't want to mock anyone and stuff. I just want to explain why it is not that simple. And we say, it says, I'm launching a simple Shopify store mid-December. I will be selling one main product of this store for Valentine's Day. Very good timing. If you want to sell for a promotion, you need to start earlier. I have a database of 6,000 men who purchased a product for their wife, girlfriend from a previous store I created. I need someone to run my ads for me because I do not have the time between other businesses' obligations. I need someone who knows how to get results. You will have this database of 6,000 men, so your work is 75% complete. And this is where my problem is. So you have a list of 6,000 people, which is coming from selling a product, which most probably, from what I can understand, it was different, okay? This doesn't mean that you can just use the list, upload it with a new pixel, a new store, and then have results. Saying that 75% of the job is done because of this, it's naive, okay? At the best possible case scenario. So it's completely different of having 6,000 sales in a pixel, okay? And then you're going to do lookalikes and stuff, and completely different of having a list, email list, and then upload it. Okay, so thinking that it's going to be very easy because I have a list of 6,000 people, it's not okay. Thing number two, don't expect with a new pixel, if you upload a list, to just work like this. It's going to help you maybe, but it's not going to bring you the results of the previous product. Something else, if you have another product, okay, and 6,000 sales with it, it's completely different, and expecting to have the same sales in another product which is completely different, another funnel, another landing page, and all of the process completely different. Maybe even the pricing is going to be different. How can you expect, just because people show this behavior, to just show the same behavior for something else in another landing page with another price, and expect from these 6,000 people all of them to convert, or a very big percentage of them to convert? So don't think like this. Don't think that it's that simple, okay? And don't just lie to yourself, because in my opinion, in this post, this person is lying to themselves. They're trying to say that we should have good results so that they can put the pressure to the freelancer to have good results. And in my opinion, within their hearts, they know it. Or if they don't know it, they are not well educated about how Facebook ads are working. And before we wrap up this video, just a very small thought, okay? Who
Do it! Just do it!
Who tells you that all these 6,000 people, they still have a girlfriend, okay? Or a wife or whatever, okay? So another thing which is very important is the momentum. Because somebody bought 1 year ago something for their girlfriend or wife, it doesn't mean that they're going to buy again in the next year. So don't make these assumptions with Facebook. Everything is subject of testing, okay? It's good to have an email list. It's not bad, okay? You can have an email list, you can use it, and maybe it's going to work a little bit, helping you to kickstart, but it's not going to be the base, okay? Something else is going to bring all of the sales. Thank you very much for watching this video. Consider to subscribe to this channel, and please don't lie to yourself about Facebook ads, so that you can feel okay at the end of the day that you have done everything that you could for your business to be successful, and it's the fault of the freelancer, okay? Having a 6K email list is not enough to have an e-commerce business. So that's all I had about this. I'm going to see you in a future episode. Please think better. I rest my case.